You, come here. All right, guys, I've been hearing all about Audis, how you can tune it, take it to the next level. If you're interested in how you can tune your Audi from the 2.0 platform, 1.8 platform to the V8 to the turbos, this is the channel for you. Like, share, subscribe, and watch this video right here. This video right here. What's going on, YouTube? It's Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors, bringing you guys another official video. What's up, YouTube family, and to all my new subscribers, thanks for tapping into the journey. All right, guys, you already know what I'm gonna do. I don't think I have to say it. I own an Audi, and not only do I own an Audi big turbo A5, I currently own an Audi RS5 2015. So, as we know from the clips from before, they do a really good job of keeping your car sporty, but at the same time elegant. So I'm going to eliminate that, right? So they have an awesome resonator system in this car that keeps the car really quiet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the resonator and give this mini V10 V8. And why I say mini V10 V8 is because the 4.2 from the Audi RS5 is essentially the V10 from the R8, and they chopped off 2 cylinders. A lot of people may think that the S5 is the same engine when it's actually not. The S5 and the Audi A8 V8 share the same engine, but this one is a mini V10, which is why you have the 8,500 screaming RPMs, right? So guys, I'm gonna give you guys a pre-video of how the exhaust sounds, and I know some of you have heard it before, and then I'm going to go ahead and give you an after, right? So I'm headed to my muffler shop that I go to. Make sure you show them love and support. They do an awesome job, and we're going to go ahead and hook this up and see what kind of sounds we can come up with, and also see if I can feel a little bit of power from more airflow, right? So yeah, guys, I'm really excited. Getting ready to, I guess you can say, go cat back, right? So stay tuned in. Here we go. It's a beast now. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Check this out. What's going on YouTube? What's going on YouTube? It's Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors, guys. Bring you guys another video.